Today we're going to be looking at the new Coach Tabby 26 in the Spotzolato leather, and I couldn't resist this cute little bag accessory that we will also be checking out. So let's get into it. So let's take it out of the bag and have a look. So this is the new Coach Tabby 26 in the Spotzolato leather. How beautiful is this color? So this is the olive green color. And like I said before, it is the Spotzolato leather. And Spotzolato actually means brushed in Italian, and it's what gives it this high shine. So what they actually do is they polish it by hand, and that's what gives it this glossy appearance. And because of this technique, it actually makes the bag extremely durable, which is awesome. If we take a closer look here, it does have the classic C Coach logo on the front here in this sort of gold brass hardware. And then we also have the little hooks on the side here as well in this gold brass hardware. Now we do have an external pocket on the back as well here for you to be able to put things in. And it is quite a reasonable size. So I'm pretty sure you'd be able to get a mobile phone in there. We will have a look in a second. Now, the only thing is with this leather, I do feel like you can see the fingerprints a lot on here. So if I put my hand on there and move it off, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it does leave behind a lot of fingerprints. But it did actually come with this little cloth here. And I assume that's just to wipe the bag down. So I thought that was a really nice little feature that they include that in the bag. If we open the bag up here, now this feels very stiff, and I think that's just because it's new. So I assume over time that is going to loosen up and it will be a lot easier to get in there. Inside the bag here, we do have two pockets. So we have two equal sized pockets either side of this zip compartment, and then the zip compartment in the middle. We open that up, it is like a fabric material inside there, and it is a pretty reasonable size. Now, I do like bags with a lot of pockets because I think it just keeps everything a little bit more organized. So personally, I do like the fact it's got multiple pockets in here. We then also have another pocket at the front here, and then another smaller pocket again at the front. So there's plenty of compartments in here to put your belongings. And like I said before, it does have that external back pocket on here as well. We do have the calf leather inside as well, and then the Coach tag also attached inside the bag. It is a snap closure here, and inside it does have the Tabby bag genuine grain leather just written on the front there for you to see. And then on the bottom, it's just sort of the two pockets, like folding out compartments that you can see on the bottom there. It is a magnetic closure here, so we can just snap that together and that closes the bag. Now, it also came with two straps as well there. So we do have a crossbody strap, which is this one here. So as you can see, again, it comes with the brass hardware on the end, and it doesn't have, it has the Coach logo just on this part in here. And it is just sort of a clip sort of fastening there. It does have adjustments here as well for you to alter the strap with this buckle. So it is a very good size here. And then we have the shoulder strap as well. So again, it has the Coach on the little lever there. And I've just clipped that together just for storage. But then you do have the top handle. So you can wear it on the shoulder or you can wear it crossbody. And you can actually also sort of carry it as well if you don't want to put it on your shoulder. Now, I find that it doesn't give you much of a drop from the shoulder with this strap. So you can either change the strap over, or you can also add a little bit of a strap extender on here just to make that a little bit longer. I'll insert some mod shots just to show you what that looks like, crossbody and with the shoulder strap on. So the drop on the shoulder strap is roughly about 20 centimeters, and the drop on the crossbody strap is roughly about 55 centimeters. So let's take a look and see what actually fits inside the bag. So I have packed this full to the brim just so we can take a look and see what fits in it. So even though it is packed pretty full, it still looks okay. Like, it doesn't look like it's out of shape, and it's actually still kept its shape pretty well. So let's have a look what I've put inside here. So this is what it's looking like with everything in here. So I have put a lot in there. So first of all, I have my hand sanitizer here. I have my phone. I have my sunglasses here. So just a little snap closure sunglasses case. I have my Coach pouch here as well. My keys. And then in the zip, we have a lipstick, some perfume, my card holder, and my car key. So a lot of things actually fitted inside the bag. Now I actually found that I couldn't quite fit in my brush or my mirror there, but if you took the pouch out, you would be able to fit those in. So if you actually didn't use your pouch, you could then fit those in. Now, just to mention as well, I didn't have anything in the back pocket there when all these items are in the bag. I just felt like it was just too full to put anything in there. But you could put like a card or like some paper or something like that in there if you needed to, like a ticket or something like that. But I don't think you're going to get much else in that back pocket if you fill it that full. So quite a lot of stuff actually did fit in the bag. So that was good. It had all my essentials in there. I did manage to get my sunglasses in there along with my phone and also with the pouch as well. So that's really useful to know. Now I did also pick up a little accessory while I was there as well. So let's have a look. And it is this beautiful bag charm. How cute is this? So it has like the colourful stripes on there with like a little diamond and then sort of the Coach writing on the front there. How pretty is this? It's in this brass gold hardware as well, like to match the bag. So I thought that would go with the bag really well. And then it has the two clips on the top. So you have your traditional keyring style fastening, and then you also have like the clip fastening as well, just to clip it onto the bag. But this is beautiful. And then on the back, it is just the brass sort of hardware there. So let's clip it onto the bag and have a look what it looks like. But I think it's going to go really well with this bag. Now the bag also has this Coach tag on there. I don't think I mentioned that before, but it also comes with the Coach tag attached. So let's clip this on. I'm going to clip it on with the actual leather hook here. I'm just going to clip that onto the side of the bag. How nice does that look? I think it goes really well with this color and this style bag as well. So from the side, you can see it's just sort of hanging on there. And you could also attach that to the strap as well. So if you attach the strap onto here, you could actually attach that to the strap hook as well. So I think that is super pretty. I will definitely be wearing it with this bag. And again, you can put it on any bag. It's quite a neutral bag charm. So it will go with a lot of different handbags, especially with the different colors on there and with the brass hardware. So super happy I picked this up. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you have it? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. So you can get this bag in the Tabby 20 size as well, which is a bag that I was actually considering, but I'm quite glad I went with the 26 just because you can fit a lot more in there. If you do have the Tabby 20, I think you're only going to be able to get minimal items in there. So just your basic essentials are going to fit in that bag. So just bear that in mind when you're choosing a bag. I actually originally went in to buy the chain Tabby bag, but when I saw this one in the Spotzolato leather, I just totally changed my mind and had to have this one. So let me know if you have the Tabby 20 or the Tabby 26 and what your thoughts are of it. I will link some other videos on screen for you to check out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.